When I entered the corporate world many years ago, I soon realized that most of the people around me were lazy, they weren't willing to work harder than necessary. So I built a secret recipe to stand out. I decided to work harder than anybody else around. I used to call that as outwork. The secret sauce was outwork everyone else. And I saw success because outworking really stands out quickly and you get recognized. It went well, but by the time I spent 5 years and plus, I realized that there was a limit to how much you could leverage this. Because finally you have only 24 hours in a day, so you can't go beyond. Even with technology and productivity tools, there's a limit to how much you could outwork. You needed a new recipe for the next level of success. I found that pretty soon. The new recipe for me has been outlearn everyone else around you. What does that mean? You need to be in a state of constant learning. You need to be like a sponge waiting to absorb more. Develop yourself. Keep asking, are you improving? Are you better today than you were better yesterday? You have to keep learning as a baseline. It doesn't matter how big you grow in an organization. So the new mantra is outlearn everyone else. Try it. Outwork and then outlearn.